What's that?
I'm gonna take that whole blue thing.
Oh, I guess you don't have it.
Let's do a what's that? It's a white spot.
Here, it's all right. You can look at it over here. Here, look.
Right there.
Look. Right there in that camera.
What are you talking about?
Here, I'll show you in a second. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Stay right there. Okay. So, wait, we have to stay in line, otherwise we're gonna look like a super huge woman.
It'd be cool with the red behind.
But here, see, we have to stand in the same line, right there. Okay. Good. Is this your yoga mat?
Are you in that?
Yeah.
No.
Here, do you know how to roll it up?
I can roll it up.
Okay.
No.
Because that's yours. You have to start learning how to roll the
It's
yoga
not
mat.
mine, it's just my stuff. You're feminine?
Yeah. It's not mine. It says Marciela. I'm not Marciela.
Oh yeah, Antonio Marciela, that is my name. You put my last name on it. I was thinking Tony, but I didn't
Tony Marcielo.
say
Hold me closer, Tony Danza. Count the headlights on the highway. Lay me down and she's so lady. Can't be fast from day to day. Wow, this guitar is really out of tune.
You know you'll be mad.
All right.